Moving day can be hectic, but with the right supplies, you'll feel organized and in control. Here's what you need to pack and transport your stuff safely. First, pick sturdy moving boxes. Use small boxes for things like books and tools, medium boxes for small appliances, and large boxes for pillows, clothes, and linens. Color code or label boxes by room, so movers know exactly where they go at your new place. Wrap items with bubble wrap, packing paper, or foam, and add cushioning around it in the box. Seal the boxes with heavy-duty tape and label them as fragile. Wheeled tools like hand trucks and dollies make it easy to move heavy stacks of boxes or large appliances. Always check the weight rating of your dolly before loading it up. Consider one with inflatable wheels since they roll smoother and do a better job at protecting floors. A basic toolkit is essential for disassembling and reassembling furniture during the move and handling small repairs after the move. Keep these tools close by so they're easily accessible and don't accidentally get packed up. Wrap furniture with moving blankets and use furniture sliders under heavy pieces so they'll slide easily without damaging your floors. Use moving straps to move heavy furniture or appliances. They help distribute the weight between two people and help make it easier to carry heavy items up and down stairs and over uneven ground. Tie-downs work better than bungee cords to secure heavy loads in a truck. Stay under the weight limit to keep your cargo safe, even on rough roads. Lowe's has all the right supplies to help make moving day more organized and a lot less stressful.